Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to show you the pattern that I'm watching develop here on AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Now, this stock has just kind of been chopping sideways since June, drifting sideways and down. We're currently under that 50-day moving average, but the moving averages are starting to converge here, and that's what I like to see. Now, the 200-day moving average is still down here. Technically is a bit far from price, but I think what could happen with this stock is if we continue to consolidate sideways here, we could break out of what I think is a potential wedge pattern developing, where we go down, but we tighten up throughout September. We continue to tighten, and then here we go, October or Uptober. We break out, do it on volume, and it comes right off that 200-day moving average, giving that time to catch up to price. So that's what I would love to see develop here on AMD. Don't know if it's going to happen, but if it doesn't, then all we would want to see from this standpoint is a break up out of this clear level of resistance that price keeps bumping up against. So that's what I'm looking at here for AMD. I hope it's helpful. And if it was, be sure and check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. And we also just launched a crypto service. You got to check it out. Details on our website. I hope to see you on the other side.